Remove the protective needle by tearing its sterile packaging in the middle. Step 1. Grip the barrel firmly and insert the cartridge into the open end. Step 2. Slide the plunger to the end of the finger grip, making sure the O-ring is fully covered. Align the pins on the handle with the notch of the barrel and then push until the end. Step 3. When the handle is fully inserted, twist the finger grip clockwise to lock the barrel. Step 4. Slide the protective sheath backwards towards the handle until it locks against the handle. Step 5. Remove the needle cap and discard it. The device is now ready to use. The Ultra Safety Plus Twist is a self-aspirating syringe. There is a small protuberance at the bottom of the cartridge barrel. This depresses the cartridge diaphragm throughout the injection procedure. When injection pressure is released, the diaphragm will return to its normal position, causing back pressure in the needle, resulting in aspiration. You can also self-aspirate with the Ultra Safety Plus Twist. The pliable O-ring on the shaft of the syringe creates a vacuum when the handle is pulled back. The cartridge bung follows the piston, providing active aspiration. If you need to set the syringe down or change the cartridge, slide the protective sheath down the barrel of the syringe until you reach the first holding position. When your procedure is over, slide the protective sheath forward into the final locking position. It will click when the final position is reached. The device is now safely locked. To remove the cartridge for disposal, grip the finger holder, turn counterclockwise, and pull until the pins escape from the notches. The cartridge will be automatically extracted from the barrel when the plunger is withdrawn. The device is now ready for disposal.